Hello, boss.
Yes.
Today we noticed that you have 4 video meetings with different customers from different countries for different sales team, right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. In fact, there is no need for you to attend such meeting. It is our sales job, or my manager can also do that. Why you attended such meeting so many in person? You are not tired?
Not tired, but very happy.
Okay.
I don't have any other hobbies, but just like traveling abroad to meet customers. Because when I meet customers, I can listen to their ideas and feedbacks for our machines or for our service. Then we can make a progress in future.
Yes.
But now we cannot do that due to the COVID-19 pandemic virus problem.
Yes.
So it is also good for me to join the video meeting with our sales teams, just like your teams or other teams.
Okay.
So if I'm there, the customer also will be very happy because they not only meet you, not only meet our salesperson, their sales manager, but they also know the boss. They know me. So
Yes.
if I'm there, we can have more trust for the customers.
Yes.
Then if there will be any questions, we also can see you immediately during the video call. So we can save the time for customers.
Yes.
It will be good for the customers and also good for us.
Yes.
You don't like me to join your meeting?
No, I like this. Thank you, boss.